Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 16th March 2025. Title of Murli. Cremate your weak sanskars and celebrate the true holy. For only then will the world be transformed. Bap Dada said. In fact, each beloved child of God has received 3 thrones. One is the throne of the eyebrows, the second is the throne of the heart of God, and the third is the throne of the future kingdom. However, only those souls who become entitled to self-sovereignty at this time receive the throne of the future kingdom. So, check, are you always entitled to self-sovereignty, or do you sometimes become entitled to the kingdom of others, that is, do you not become dependent on Maya? Further, Baba said, the most beloved thing is truthfulness, because one who has truthfulness also has cleanliness. They find it easy to stay in remembrance of the Father. If even now, someone finds it difficult to stay in remembrance, then definitely there is a lack of truthfulness in subtle thoughts or dreams. Your special inculcation is purity. So, there should not be even a shadow of impurity in your thoughts and dreams. Finally, Baba said, you children are not only world transformers, but even before that, you are self-transformers. Because the new world of the future will be created according to your present sanskars. Therefore, check whether any special quality is still missing. If there is any old sanskar that you do not want but still attracts you, then do sanskar of that weak sanskar, that is, burn it and celebrate true holy. And if by mistake any old sanskar comes to you, then just say from your heart Baba Baba, that's it, then it will end and a dot will be applied. Because the Father is also a dot. Blessing for today. May you be introspective and put the expansion of thoughts and words into their essence. Details are: stop the expansion of waste thoughts and become stable in the stage of the essence, that is, merge the sound of wasteful words and make it powerful, that is, put it into its essence. This is introspection. Such introspective children with their power of silence can show wandering souls their correct destination. This power of silence can show many beautiful, spiritual, colorful games. With the power of silence, you can hear the sounds in the minds of every soul, so closely that it is as though they are speaking personally in front of you. Slogan is, to remain light in your nature, sanskars, relationships and connections means to become an angel. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Honest children who have honest hearts are able to become a point within a second and remember the Father, the point because of the greatness of their honesty. Those with honest hearts please the Lord, and because of receiving special blessings from the Father, they are able to keep their heads yukt, using the right methods, and carry out any task accurately according to the time. This is because they have pleased the Father, the intellect of the wise. Those who have pleased God are automatically Rajukt, knowing all secrets, and Yukt.